Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm super excited to walk you through the usage of our brand new weight loss tracker. Let's dive right in without wasting any time. Firstly, the product comes with two options, metric and imperial. You can choose whichever suits your needs, and for today's example, I'll be explaining it using the imperial system. The first thing we need to do is set our start date and goal date. Simply double-click and choose your desired day from the calendar. Automatically, the duration of this challenge is calculated. In this example, a 90-day weight loss challenge is selected, but you can set it for up to 365 days, covering a whole year. Under the Start section, you'll enter your weight and height, and automatically, your current BMI is calculated. Similarly, under the Goal section, input your goal weight, and the target BMI is calculated automatically. Now, let's move on to the Milestones section. This part is designed to make the process more enjoyable and boost your motivation. Reward yourself for reaching specific weight milestones. Input your weight information and then jot down what you'll reward yourself with when you achieve that weight. The rest is completely calculated automatically, and you'll earn a victory trophy for every goal accomplished. Heading to the weight log section, all you need to do is input the results of your daily measurements, and the entire spreadsheet will autofill based on this data. Checking back on the Milestones section, you'll see that the completion percentage, progress bar, and the trophies you've earned are all automatically generated. Simply check the box when you've rewarded yourself. Under the Progress section, you'll find your current weight and goal weight, along with a pie chart displaying the percentage of your goal completed. The Days Left section shows how many days are left until your goal date, also visualized with a pie chart. The area chart above illustrates the visual representation of the changes in your weight throughout the selected time frame. That's it. It's user-friendly and designed to make your weight loss journey fun. You can find the purchase link in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.